guys, welcome back to It's Me, Mariska. I'm Mariska. This is my mom.
Hello.
Today,
we are actually reviewing
dinosaurs.
a Tepsmigo dinosaur painting kit. And we want to say thank you, iShow,
For sending us this
from
product.
Amazon, for sending us this product to review.
Yep.
Please make sure that when you're working with any type of craft, that you have adult
Supervision, because there is a chemical in the paint.
and there are also small parts. So this is not for recommended for children 0 to 3 years old.
Wait, 0 is not...
And we are going to get started. Wow. This is cool.
I'm trying to figure this out. When they say 0, you're not even born.
So they all come white. I think they're a little plastic. They're not
Glass.
like a ceramic or anything. So there's a T-Rex. There's some Velociraptors. There is the
whatever.
I
I don't know.
I can't think of it
I
right
forgot
now. You
that
know
name.
more dinosaurs than I do. I can't think of it.
I do.
Another type of
I got a huge book.
raptor.
And there's baby ones.
And then
in
there's
here.
tiny ones in here.
They're so small.
There's a tiny Brontosaurus or Brachiosaurus, Saplosaurus, whatever. Triceratops.
And I got
There's another.
paintbrushes. Ooh, they got sizes.
There's this one.
It comes with paint.
There's the Stegosaurus.
All kinds of colors. Colorful.
The Pteranodon or Pterodactyl, whichever you want to call that.
They got paint palettes too.
This also comes with.
Comes with a play mat.
I don't think it's supposed to be
Or
a play mat. I think
backdrop.
that's kind of like
I don't know.
a backdrop type thing, or like a fabric poster because it's fabric.
Yeah. I don't know.
That's
We'll
really
figure it
neat.
out.
I like that. So which one are you gonna paint? I think I might do.
It's a poster.
It's a poster.
Yeah, it's a poster.
I don't know. I think
Well, you can use it for
I'm gonna do the Stegosaurus because the Stegosaurus has always been my favorite. Because there's also no large Triceratops.
I like the T-Rex a lot.
So what color are you gonna start with?
I have no idea.
And it comes with three
Different colors.
different paint containers. And there's
I know
different colored
what
paint in it.
I'm gonna do it.
What is this?
Paint palettes and everything.
It comes with these neat little paint palettes.
There's blue and I want it. Oh, it looks like red. I think it's supposed to be red, but it's actually pink. I can't tell.
Okay. And it comes with some paintbrushes. There's 6 paintbrushes in here.
Oh, I know. I'm doing it red.
Okay.
I can open it.
What do you think about the plastic that it comes with? Is it pretty durable?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only thing is, it smells a little weird when you get it
when
out
you
of
first
packaging.
open it, it kind of smells a little bit funny.
Alright, I'm painting
But otherwise, it's not bad. But this is really neat.
My fish are making a lot of noise in their tank today.
So
If
I'll
you
start
can
my
hear that.
color and then we'll come back in a few minutes so it's not so long.
I gotta pause you guys, I'm sorry.
I'm going
I
to
can't
pick.
move. Alright.
So I chose a fuchsia pink color.
I'm doing mine red. Alright. Okay.
We had some technical difficulties, so we had to redo the this
thing
part. So this is
decided to die.
a
This is a sponsored promotion and my phone is going off like crazy.
So here's what we have so far. I put blue on mine with the pink.
I'm
Sorry about the lighting. We were trying to use the one of those
phone lights.
phone lights, but it didn't work. It kind of got really dark.
It died on us.
So what do you like about this product?
What I like about it?
Yes, what do you like?
I like how the colors are really vibrant and there's not just like one type of dinosaur. Like
There's many.
Yeah. Say you have like a T-Rex. It's not like
There's not a
10
second T-Rex in here.
Yeah.
There's one of each dinosaur that they send.
And there's baby ones.
Yes.
And that's it. And I like how it comes with your own paint palettes. The only thing I don't like is that the paint's like comes in these little vials, and you run out of paint really easily. It's the only thing I don't like.
What I like about the product, again, I do like how there's different colors. There's 3 different containers of paint like this that have several different colors in them. So there's
He fell.
2, 3, 4. There's 6, 12, 18 different colors of paint. And then I also like how there's one of each dinosaur that they send. I mean, this one might be a replica of this one. I don't think it is. I think these are 2 different ones. But I could be wrong. No, these are the same.
No,
but this one's a smaller version of that. But that's okay because, and this is a smaller version of the Stegosaurus.
A pterodactyl.
But the Pteranodon or pterodactyl, whichever that is, because there's 2 different kinds.
Pterodactyl.
This would really make a nice gift. So that's another thing I like about it. And you can do this with how old? You can do this with 1 to 3-year-olds.
Do it, but
they just need supervision.
Yeah.
And they might need some help. So this is a nice family.
Right.
It's a nice little family craft. So this is geared towards the parents. And we will leave the link in the description box below.
The only thing is mine isn't staying.
So if you'd like to purchase this product, the link will be in the description box for you to do so.
Stay.
This is really nice. I really like this.
What don't you like about it?
What I don't like is the fact that you run out of paint.
Yeah.
I mean, it's considered, it's a craft. You can use different colors, and they encourage you to use different colors.
You can use your own paint, too.
You can use your own paint. There isn't really anything I don't like about this product. I really think that this is a nice product.
That's the only really thing I don't like, is that the...
It's just not, yeah. Just don't have enough of the paint when you want to use that color.
He looks neat, though.
Otherwise, this is a really nice product. I really like
quick.
this. Thank you again, iShow. We really enjoy this.
I got paint all over my bottle. Oh.
So, that's my dinosaur. Pink and blue.
Nice fruit punch.
How about yours? Why don't you show yours now? It's okay. You can fix the tip of the tail because the paint's still a little wet. So the paint is a little wet, so we will be fixing and touching up when we're all done.
I'm holding
it
like
she has red and she has some yellow and orange in hers.
I only have red and yellow.
Red and yellow, but it looks really nice.
Yeah. I gotta stop touching the tail. That's the thing.
Okay.
The tail's like the
so.
This is hard.
What were you?
My last name.
This is what a lot of it looks like. So here's all the different types of dinosaurs. We've got them set off to the side.
I remember I was using
and everything.
And I painted my feet blue.
And that's Mariska's dinosaur.
You can.
Yes, there's some touch-ups to do. That is my dinosaur. There will be touch-ups.
I really don't have to really touch him up. He looks fine. I think it looks. There they look.
So there they are. I'm gonna do some other stuff to mine. I do have to finish up and touch up.
The camera, but it's actually red.
Yeah, the camera does not do the color justice at all.
No. Oh yes, and when you are done with the color, you can also wash it out and use it for like really tiny things. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit that bell, and stay going, my peeps.
And our dinosaurs are saying, have a nice night.